to keep it alive until the tides returned 6 hours later, keeping it wet by pouring buckets of water over it. The people became more creative when they switched to utilizing a fire hose hooked to a pump to continuously wet the orca until the NOAA arrived.
You did it! Oh, I just got saltwater all in his mouth.
Nonetheless, when the NOAA arrived, they made sure the locals who had kept the orca alive for hours left, but they also made sure to let the orca return to the water when the tides returned and allow it to find its pod. Back in July 2015, a female orca became stranded